Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting video. What if you can get paid $1 to $5 every minute? It's almost like $300 per hour on average. That's awesome, right? Well, I know it sounds unbelievable, but it's absolutely possible. Thanks to this new method and this 100% legit way to earn money comfort at your home. If you apply the right system and the right strategy, you can copy exactly what the most successful people do and start seeing results this week. This is the game changer and the ultimate solution for beginners and newbies who are confused, frustrated, and struggling to break through. Finally, a method is so simple and straightforward to apply as soon as today. If you skip any part of this video, you might get lost and confused, so pay attention because this could potentially change your and your family's life forever. So first and foremost, I want you to go to this website, CPAlead.com. So right here on this website, you can actually do CPA marketing, and I will show you exactly how to do this in this video. It's actually pretty simple. So don't worry, here are a few reasons why I love CPAlead.com. All you have to do is earn $1 on the minimum, and you can begin to cash out your earnings every day. As you can see here, there are daily and weekly payment options that you can receive your money in PayPal, Payoneer, or other different payment options. First and foremost, I want to show you how to sign up for a free account by clicking on the sign up button at the top, which will take you to this page. As you can see, this is where you can join the lead generation network. You can just one-click sign up using a Facebook account or a Google account. Or you can scroll down below and use your email address to sign up for a free account. You can just put in your first name, last name, email address, and password and answer a very simple security question. You may choose your own question. Simply write an answer to verify your account. If there's a chance that you forget your password, you can still claim your account back immediately. Then click on this "I'm not a robot" and input this information. Now you can join up for a free account. Once you sign up, make sure to check your email inbox, because you should be able to receive an email verifying your email address to join CPAlead.com. Right here, once you log into your brand new account, you should see something like this on your dashboard, and you can do this on your phone or computer. So right here on the homepage, you can see your daily earnings. Right now, I want you to go ahead and click on the offers link on the site, as you can see here. And you'll be taken to this page where you can find different offers that you can promote to earn money online. There are so many different offers that you can promote and do CPA marketing and earn a lot of money online. As you can see here, you can earn $1 over and over again. Other people don't have to buy anything from you either. All you have to do is send them a survey to fill out and direct them to a page made by this website for you. And after they fill out the details on the page, you can gain money. Every time someone fills out a survey and clicks on your link, you will make money without selling anything. Now I will show you a very easy example of how you can begin doing CPA marketing on this website. So as you can see here, Filter offers many countries, and I want you to focus on the United States. Don't worry, you may do this from anywhere in the globe. But the offer that we're pushing here is that we want to focus and target people from the USA to click on our link, which is why we're going to filter the USA. You can earn more money by using a USA offer. Also on the offer types, you can choose email submission and surveys, because this is one of the simplest types of CPA offers, because all you have to do is share a simple link with other people, and they will click on our link and go to the website where they fill out a survey or sign up to a form. As you can see here, when I scroll down below this website, it will automatically help you to filter up all the results that we just selected right here. So say for example, this offer right here, where you can earn 58 cents for every single survey that people complete. So right now what you can do is click on the payout button right here to show the highest earning to the lowest earning. As you can see here, $1.74 is actually the highest pay offer on this website. So right now, I want to show you a real-life example of how to do this. If you want to promote this offer where you can earn $1 or more for every survey that people complete, All you have to do right now is click on the link right here so that we can get more information about these CPA offers. For every single action completed, you can copy this affiliate link and share it on the internet. Once you share these affiliate links and people click on your link, they're going to the official website of the offer name, and they must complete the survey and fill up the information. Then when they click on the submit button and input their email address, you can then earn $1.74. It's easy. So this is the power of CPA marketing. You don't have to sell any products. You don't have to create any website. You don't have to make any sales. All you have to do is refer other people to the website, and the website will persuade the visitor and ask them to fill out the information. Once they complete that action, for example, completing surveys or signing up for a form, you can truly make money online. Now this is a rule to remember. It's important for this offer that you can only share this with people from this country. For example, Canada and the US, they can only target all devices from that country. It doesn't matter if the people are using mobile phones or computer, you can also make money once they complete the surveys, as long as the visitor is coming from Canada and the US. Now in a minute, I'll show you a free method and lead you through everything step by step. So keep an eye out for the example. Moving on to the next phase, I want you to go to Trendry.com. So Trendry is a make money online forum where people gather to talk about various methods to earn money online. As you can see here, there are many different topics to debate, such as getting paid for 2 money-generating cryptocurrencies, paid surveys, and so on. For example, clicking on the paid survey category will take me to this page. As you can see here in paid surveys, there are different topics. And different forum posts are posted by other people. And there are a lot of people from the United States who are hanging out on this website, discussing but looking for information about making money online. So right, here's the best place for you to share and distribute your affiliate link. And once people click on your link, they go into the page, they do the surveys, they fill out the information. And you can make $1, $5, or even more. So let me now show you an example of how other people are doing this. When they click on this post right here, it takes me to this page. As you can see here, this post was created by this name right here. And it's a newbie account, a newly created account, and you can do the same. I'll show you how to join up in a moment. There's so many people who want to learn on how to get paid by doing simple surveys. As you can see, there's actually a proven method, and there's so many people interested in that. So right, there is actually a very good way for you to get a lot of free traffic. People and clicks from people in the United States and Canada who click on your affiliate link or CPA link and then fill out the service and you get money. It's actually a win-win situation. You can do this on Trendry.com or any other earn money online forum. And that's when you'll receive a lot of free traffic and clicks leaving people to your CPA offers that you promote. They'll find out offers and surveys and you'll get money. It's quite simple, and you can use the same strategy to promote any other CPA offer or network. That's how many rookies start making excellent money online with CPA marketing. And that's it. If you love some more content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.